The Samsung Galaxy Fold had a turbulent initial release when it first arrived last year. After issues were quickly raised with the phone's fragile folding screen and hinge, it was recalled and relaunched later in the year. Fast forward to 2020, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip was released with better results. What will Samsung's encore be? Rumors persist that it's a next-generation Samsung Galaxy Fold, with an incorporated S Pen just like the Note series. This would be bound together with a more robust folding mechanism. Digital render artist Concept Creator has taken these rumors and created a phone design based on those. The result is the Samsung Galaxy Note Fold, a digital design combining the best of both series. The Note 20 is rumored to incorporate the same 108MP camera as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The camera also makes its way into the Note Fold design with a 108MP sensor joining a 20MP telephoto and 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens. It's surprising to see a camera of this magnitude make its way into a folding phone, as folds are still a premium technology. The price is steep enough as is, and we often see phones skimping on super powerful cameras to keep the cost down. Although Samsung could certainly incorporate its biggest and best camera into the Note Fold, we could end up paying a premium if so. Another features included in the Note Fold design is glass infused with polycarbonate. The folding section is made out of polycarbonate flexible glass in the same way as the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. A redesigned S Pen is also housed in the phone's casing. It's positioned in the same way as the existing Note series. The S Pen is one of the most sensitive styluses in the world, able to change slides in a presentation, snap photos, pause videos and more. It's also got over 4,000 pressure levels to make it as accurate as possible. The video also goes in depth to show how the artist made the render from the inside out, showing off the phone's internals. Will we see the Note Fold hit shelves in 2020? As the Note 20 is all set to launch in July, it could be unlikely we'll see a folding device, especially another Note, launch alongside it. However, given the Note prides itself on straddling the gap between phone and tablet, it's a way of making the folding function more than just a gimmick.